Hello, aloha, yawe, kumusta, randanim, malo, ihao, and ohayo gozaimasu. What's going on today, gang? Got a McCafe right here. Got the mocha. So good. Check out the McDonald's over here at Puahali Road by Nimitz. Let's go. By the way, I did mention there's gonna be like a giveaway on my 100th video. So if you want to get involved, you gotta just subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's pretty much it. Also follow me on my Instagram because I'm gonna pull all the names on all my social media platforms, put them together, and do a little raffle. Not a raffle, but do a little surprise giveaway for whoever is, subscribed, followed, all that. So yeah, stay tuned for more details. Oh yeah, we're still here at Amazon, enjoying the time together. As a team, we always bond with each other. Group session, therapy session, it always helps. And we always talk about issues, safety tips, and all that good stuff. I love it. So we have everybody starting up their vehicles, doing their DVICs, the normal routine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done with my DVIC. I'm about to head down to the loading zone to get my packages. Today we got 150, about 84 stops, so lightweight, but still, I love my job.
Man, y'all know who it is, man. The one and only G-Money, bro. The main character is Charleston YouTube video. Tip of the day, don't let customers ruin your day. Right? We're just doing our job to deliver the smile, bro. Now we're going out.
I have this guy ask a girl if she needs help, but he doesn't ask me. How's that? What's up, everybody? Iho Place, let's go. Iho Place always is beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. So this radio, I always make trouble wherever I go. Right now, he's just slacking in the elevator. Stadium. Ooh, how about that view though? Ooh, sun is killing it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done. RTS, DVIC is done. About to go home. Crash. I'm over here and I got Justin closing. My man is like, it's okay, Justin.